show your face. Don't worry.
Don't show my face. Don't show my face.
I'm not showing your face.
Oh, wow.
Remember you like took 2 hours.
You opened
on,
it like
the
2 weeks
waiting
later.
line? Remember you took 2 hours on the waiting line?
Over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have to have an appointment. You cannot just go in there.
Yeah. Before you could.
Because of COVID.
Yeah.
I'll open it now.
You can just order it online and then you'll just get it. And
I'll open it
that's
now.
what I did.
Ooh.
Ten hours later.
No.
I'm kidding.
Stop it. You're making fun of Manny.
I'm kidding. It's just tight. That's why. I know, right? I'm weak. Yeah, wait. Bye.
Let's see what's inside.
Yeah.
1, 2.
3.
Oh.
Oh, it's wrapped again, right? And then it's. Oh, you got that one. I thought you got the Neverfull. That's better than the Neverfull.
Yes.
Everyone has the Neverfull.
What's another?
They bought the one that everyone has. You see everyone. Oh, that's way better. Oh yeah, that's way better. What's that called? What's that called? You
What is this again, Dad? I forgot.
remember what it's called? I don't know.
It's
What's
in my thing.
my friend will
It's
probably
in
know it.
there.
Oh yeah. That's way better. That looks like a new. That looks like a new design though.
Yeah, it is new.
It's new. Yeah, I feel like it just came out. Oh, and you can make it a crossbody. Yes. Better as a crossbody. Oh, that's way better. That's new. Like no one else. Not many people have that. That's way better.
I like that.
That's way better. Yes. Trying to figure out what that's called.
Yeah, it's there in my phone.
Mm-hmm. And the receipt. Oh, and then. Okay. Zip, so you could like hide like the cards and all that. Like keys and all that.
yeah.
Oh, the name's there. What's it called?
Neo.
Neono.
Neono.
Neono. I don't know. Say that. Neono.
Neono.
I don't know if it's French or something. Neono. MM. So medium size. Monogram noir. Black monogram.
Okay.
Because the strap is black. The leather is black. That's
Yeah, I
why.
don't like that color. There's also pink for this.
Oh yeah, pink on
Is
the
there a
inside.
number
Right?
Pink and brown.
Is there a number?
Huh? Serial number?
Serial number?
I don't know.
It's probably in the bag. Probably it's in the leather. Probably
why do you need the
probably
number?
behind.
Why do they need the
I'm not sure where it
number?
would be.
So it's
Probably inside, somewhere inside.
original.
I don't know where they kept it. But there's a barcode.
It's good you got the black, because if you got the brown strap, then it's gonna age. It's gonna age. It's gonna look darker and darker. The black doesn't show. Oh, Amazon video. Like,
Blurry
it's
man.
not. So like, you just gotta. Nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is better than the Neverfull.
Oh,
Neverfull's.
yeah.
I mean, like, it's a good bag, but it's basic. Everyone has it. That's nice. Wait.
Something like that.
And then you got a strap. Try to wear it like that. Like on a small strap. Yes. That's better. I like that better.
Well, here.
Wait. Pose check.
Don't show my face.
I'm not showing your face. Don't worry. It's not there.
Uh-huh.
I'm not showing her
What?
face.
Okay. Show na face na.
Okay,
Nindot.
that's it.
Ganda sa'yo eh. Okay.